The mother of a 4-year-old boy hit and killed on a busy Cobb County road could face more jail time than the hit-and-run driver who killed her son. Channel 2's Ross Cavett live in Cobb County with a jury's verdict that set up that unusual and unfortunate possibility.
And this is where that hit and run happened back in April of 2010, but this case still lingers. When I talk to people who know that mother and the deceased child who still live in this neighborhood, their initial reaction is that is simply not right. And among the many I've talked to today, well, they would probably agree with that. Jerry Guy got a sweet deal. The Cobb County man admitted fleeing the scene after hitting a family crossing Austell Road in the dark, the impact killing 4-year-old A.J. Newman. Guy had a decade earlier served much of a 2-year sentence for another hit and run, also on Austell Road, that left a woman permanently hurt.
And when they called me after he had got out of jail, I told him he shouldn't be out at that time because he didn't get enough time for the 2 people that he hit that day.
Yes, sir.
But in this plea deal, Jerry Guy only received a 6-month jail sentence and was out of jail last October. A.J. Newman's mother, in the meantime, faced her own legal problems. Police had charged Raquel Nelson with vehicular homicide, reckless conduct, and crossing the street outside of a crosswalk. A jury in Cobb County State Court found her guilty, and she could potentially at least get 3 years in jail.
It's a difficult call.
Veteran defense attorney Vic Reynolds knows this situation well. He represented a Smyrna woman in a similar predicament. Police had charged Alsamise Walker after her child Brandy was killed as Walker led her family across busy South Cobb Drive. But those traffic laws, Reynolds tells me, are clear. Whether or not to file charges against a grieving mother, not so much.
On top of that, if it results in placing a child in a position where he or she's hurt or, God forbid, killed, you balance that with the fact of what that parent is going through because they've lost that child.
But again, the mother in this case, she's 30 years old. Her name is Raquel Nelson. She was found guilty by a jury of her own peers. Her lawyer told me neither she nor him would speak today because they want to wait until after sentencing later this month. Again, she could receive as much as 36 months in jail. We're live in Marietta. Ross Cavett, Channel 2 Action News.